The Vivo V80 Lite 5G is an upcoming mid-range smartphone that is heavily teased to launch globally in August 2026. It will likely be a rebranded or closely related version of the Vivo S2, a large 6.83-inch 3D curved AMOLED panel featuring a 1.5K resolution, a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 3000 nits peak brightness. Powered by the 4nm MediaTek Dimensity 7360 Turbo or the Dimensity 7300E in select regional variants, paired with 8GB of RAM. A premium 50MP Sony IMX852 main rear camera plus 8MP ultrawide, with a 32MP front camera, features a monstrous 7050 mAh battery squeezed into an ultra-thin 7.39mm profile. It supports 44W to 90W fast charging depending on the specific regional model. An expected price of around BDT 41,999 in Bangladesh and approximately 37,999 Indian rupees in India. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.